Hey, hello everybody. We start off in SOLIDWORKS PDM and I've got two assemblies. I have the assembly and a subassembly with a couple of parts. We can see it in the bill of materials here in PDM. The bill of materials will be based and loaded into OpenBOM, and you can see the information here. We can also view it. Note that there's some issues with the viewer here in this early release. Can be displayed nonetheless. So I've also got a very similar assembly with just some different names and some different part numbers as well. This data is besides the part numbers here. Very similar. And also, maybe most important is that we have a new OpenBOM tab here. And the tab doesn't have anything to display yet, but let's go jump to OpenBOM and see what that bill of material looks like right now in OpenBOM. We're in the catalog called SOLIDWORKS, which contains the PDM items. And just notice here that none of these items have an 08 or 09 component names in them. So let's go back to PDM and let's get ready to send over the 08 assembly. I select it here and we release it in SOLIDWORKS PDM using the normal workflow. We can see the progress here, and I'll pull in some of the other more familiar screens. We can see PDM is processing the files. All right, once it gets released, we see it updates here on the card and we automatically kick off a PDM task. And we can see the process here in the task list. This will be publishing the data directly to OpenBOM. As the progress is completed successfully, we can return to PDM and see it here in the data card and go to the OpenBOM tab. There we go. So now we can see OpenBOM embedded in SOLIDWORKS PDM. It's been published. And we can view the OpenBOM structure right in the tab. Okay, and if we continue on back over to OpenBOM, we can now see that we're back in the same catalog, SOLIDWORKS items catalog. That's where the data landed. And now we see our parts have arrived and been published into OpenBOM. We can open the BOM directly in OpenBOM here and see it's a full citizen in OpenBOM. That was with one click right out of SOLIDWORKS PDM. Full structure, images, metadata, full publish of the BOM. So let's jump back to our other test assembly in SOLIDWORKS PDM. Pull up the data card. Again, we see that we don't have any bill of material there yet in OpenBOM. And in this example, we're going to use a change state release to publish it into OpenBOM. Gives us a little confirmation about what is going to be happening, what's going to be submitted. And here we go. Once again, we see the status and the update and the progress. And we can see now that on this change state operation, we are publishing to OpenBOM. And again, this can be configured. We can deal with other states and workflows. So successfully completed. Return to the OpenBOM tab, and now we'll see our second assembly is rendered, a full multi-level in OpenBOM. In the OpenBOM tab, similar to our first bill of materials. And we can just return to OpenBOM now, return to the catalog. We're going to open the second BOM here in just a moment. So we'll see that the 09 BOM is in OpenBOM. It's been published, and it has as an item, and it has a bill of material associated with it. Okay, there we go. So that is the very early release of OpenBOM for SOLIDWORKS PDM. And that will be published to OpenBOM for parts and assemblies. So hopefully this gives you kind of a sense of where we're going, the power of OpenBOM embedded in SOLIDWORKS PDM.